That was the best vacation ever. Oh wait, cover the camera. 2 months later, that was the best vacation ever. Why'd you repeat that? I don't know, just to make it look more like a movie. Okay, let's go. Hey, what's that present? I think it's ours. From Luigi to Daisy. Yay! Okay, one open. Okay, two down, one down. Here, let's see what it is. Scissors! Oh wait, you're so cheap, you got me scissors. Let's see what Mario got me. Probably. Yeah, it's from Mario. Please don't be cheap, please don't be cheap. Please don't be cheap. Sudoku! Wait, I hate Sudoku! Come on, I'm gonna go over to his house. Mario, what's the meaning for Sudoku for my present? Why are you here now? It's been 2 months. Why you give me Sudoku for my present? I just got it. So you're saying me 2 Christmas presents have been laying there just for 2 months? Yep. Why do I have stupid Sudoku? I hate Sudoku. That was your top present on your wish list. Yeah, it was. Okay, love you. That's cool. I forgot it was my top present on my list. Yeah, I was about to tell you that, but then you blasted off. I'm gonna go over to talk to Luigi. Luigi, what is the meaning for scissors? That's your top present on your wish list. No, it wasn't. My top present on my wish list was Ryan Seacrest. So you won't break up with me? If I see him, if I ever see him, yes. Hit you. Now, I will be taking, you'll keep mine, I will take yours. Wait, that one's from Mario. I don't care. Sports Illustrated. You know what? There, keep it. Yay! Take my scissors. I'm going to cut you in half. These. Chop! Ow! Chop, 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 chop. Ow. Chop, chop, chop. Ow, my ankle! Yeah! Ow! Bring the scissors back! Help! Ow! Okay, okay. Take the scissors back and give me a real present. Maybe next month. It's already February. There's no more Christmas presents. Not Christmas presents. I don't care. Just give me something. Okay. Peace out, sucker. Bye, camera.